was supposed to be here in person because of the high. So the executive general of this and his dear wife was the second governor between 2007 and 2015. I supported the police immensely. I recall one day when I invited the then Inspector General of Police, IGP Michael Kiro. He came to my state and I presented 350 jeeps, brand new jeeps, complete telecommunication equipment, and thereafter I added 4 armored personnel carriers and also added some platforms for the marine police. I further built and handed over to the police at no cost. Moko base, which is known as Moko Citizen, thereafter, I built a co-educational institute in secondary school at no cost to the police, furnished to the team, and I handed over to the police secondary school that you have in our private sense. As the Senate President, and after the end by governance protests and NSAS protests and ravaged to the country, I've completed 10 police stations in my central district. I'm not tired of doing things for the police. So as the Senate President, just to assure you, on behalf of the entirety of the National Assembly, that will stop at nothing to prevent the deficit funds for the police to improve not just the welfare, but also the strength of his personnel in order to be able to police Nigeria. So I will go to straight to read instead. Most times are totally in trouble. On a daily basis, you are fighting guerrilla war. The police, the criminals know you because of your uniform. You don't know the criminals. So you are at risk. And so many have paid the supreme sacrifice to keep the nation at peace and the applause required. So Mr. President, places very high premium on the security of the nation. So tonight I'm delighted to see the service chiefs in their numbers. The chief of Naval Staff, the chief of Air Staff, the chairman, chief of Defense Staff as represented, and all the other, the chief of the Director General of Intercessors, and all others who are here to attend this function. And here is Cecilia, who happens to be from Akwa Ibom State. And the young lady that came in black and said on 10th of May this year, she died in active service as an assistant commissioner of police. So may her soul rest for this. That is the point as from the kind of situation that our men and women in uniform face on a daily basis. So from Mr. President, it's right and responsibility that I, as Bola Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I address you today at this second edition of for the Nigerian Police Awards and Commendation Ceremony. Let me begin by commending the leadership of the Nigerian Police Force for the successful institutionalization of this Tinubu initiative, one that not only recognizes but also encourages dedication and integrity in policing. Through this ceremony, the Nigerian Police Force celebrates officers who have gone beyond the call of duty, who have demonstrated great acts of professionalism, and who continue to embody the values of service, honor, and nationhood. I'm particularly pleased to note that the success and significance of the first edition of these awards laid the foundation for this historic declaration, of April 7th as National Police Day in Nigeria. April 7th as National Police Day in Nigeria. The first observance of this important day earlier this year marked a new chapter in the story of the Nigerian Police Force, one that enshrines respect, recognition, and national reflection on the sacrifices of those who risk their lives daily to keep our communities safe. The Nigerian Police Force remains plays a pivotal role in our national security architecture. From the cities to the hinterlands, from preventing crime to responding in times of crisis, our police officers continue to play a very central role in enforcing law and order, upholding justice, and fostering trust between the state and its citizens. The bond between the police and the communities they serve is very critical to our collective peace and progress. My administration remains steadfast in its commitment to the transformation of the Nigerian Police Force and indeed transforming other security agencies. We understand that modern policing demands modern tools, continuous training, intelligence-led strategies, and community partnership. We will continue to invest in the provision of cutting-edge equipment, technological support, capacity building programs, and welfare schemes aimed at enhancing operational efficiency and boosting morale across the rank and file. While the federal government will continue to do its part, I must also charge every police officer, regardless of rank or posting, to uphold the sacred trust bestowed upon you by the Nigerian people. Be reminded that the power you wield is not for intimidation, but for protection. It is not for abuse, but for service to your fatherland. You must be guided by the highest standards of accountability and professionalism. Uphold the rule of law, protect the rights of every citizen, and reject all forms of misconduct and corruption. Only then can we build a police force that is truly respected and trusted by the people that they serve. To our award recipients tonight, I congratulate you warmly. You have made the nation proud. You have made your families proud. You have reminded us of what is possible when duty meets dedication and when service is driven by honor. But I urge you, do not rest on your laurels. Let this recognition spur you to even greater heights. Let your example inspire others within the force to emulate your discipline, your hard work, your professionalism, and your integrity. This ceremony is more than a moment of celebration. It is a call to renewed service. It is a call to every officer in the Nigerian Police Force to reflect on the values we must uphold and the future that we must build together as Nigerians. The Nigerian people deserve a police force that is responsible, and highly respected. Together, we must rise to those challenges. Let us continue to march forward in unity, in purpose, and unwavering commitment to build a Nigeria where safety, justice, and peace prevail for all. I thank you once again for holding this second edition of this ceremony. May God bless us with this one. May God bless all the men and women in uniform in all our security services. And may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thereby opening up enhance the social media presence as the police entities Twitter X following to approximately viral misinformation, including disciplinary actions and past police misconduct. He spearheaded the organization.